What's good, y'all? I'm back with another video. And if you couldn't tell by the title of this one, this is obviously a sneaker review. This is what we do on this channel. I haven't done one of these in a while. If you haven't seen my last sneaker review, it was kind of on a different format. I tried out the whole YouTube Reels thing. So it's somewhere on my page, or I might even link it somewhere. I don't know how to link Reels, but it'll y'all find it. Trust me, if you go to my page, you'll find it. Anyways, Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined. These ones I was kind of iffy on getting based off of the pictures I saw, and the upper was going to be completely leather instead of that classic nubuck that we got on the last 2019 pair. But I do like the direction they're going with some of these Reimagineds. People really didn't like the royal blue Reimagineds because it was all suede. I mean, give and take is if you like the type of material. I think people would have preferred the all leather like we did on the OGs, but it is what it is. Not to mention, when I got these on, I got my pair through a shock drop. As I'm filming this video now, these don't come out until next Saturday, I do believe. Don't quote me on that, I could be wrong. But I did get mine off the shock drop, and mine actually got here insanely fast. I think when I won the shock drop, they were here within the next 48 hours by the time I got home. So I don't know what Nike was doing, or if they already had, I joked and was like, yeah, they already had like pre-selected winners, so that's why I got here so fast. But it might vary on location based on where you at. I know I was on Twitter looking at some people saying like they still haven't gotten theirs yet, or they still waiting for it to get picked up. So I don't really know what Nike got going on over there, but I'm glad I got my pair, and I'm not having to go through rigmarole with FedEx or UPS or whoever delivered the shoes. I don't really care as long as I get them. First thing you notice though, straight out the box is, let me try and get some close-ups, and there's gonna be some other shots in here too, is off the bat, like I said before, you can see it's all leather. You got the classic hang tag. I'm actually glad this isn't that like classic. If I ever got a pair of like OG Air Maxes and they come with that plastic hang tag, it's kind of thick and it's clear, and after like a month the tags start to yellow. I'm actually glad they added this back on here like they did with the Reimagined 3s. But I mean, all around, just giving it a quick look around right now, still, that silhouette everybody loves, but it's just all leather. I don't know how I feel about that, and I'm like big on shoes. Like I don't really like this to crease, so maybe some of y'all out there get like crease protectors and whatnot. I will say these run true to size, and whenever I do an all leather shoe, so like when I get my ones, this 4 for example, or a pair of 3s, I do tend to stick true to size, so you don't have to walk some type of way, waddle down the street like some of y'all doing y'all Air Forces. Say get your shoe size to minimize that creasing across this toe box. Although I don't think it will crease too bad, just because the crease point is this it's like this zone typically where your shoe begins to crease. So I think they I don't know if they did this. They did that intentionally. You got the classic Nike Air on the back. I know some people care about that. I honestly don't really care if it's Nike Air or if it's the Jordan on the back, but I haven't been collecting shoes since the 90s. That was before my time. I was born in 02. I know a lot of OG sneakerheads like the original Nike Air on the back. And I wish I had a 2019 pair to compare to these, but honestly, this being my first Jordan Bred 4, I mean, quality on these is pretty good. You got the gray sock liner, as y'all can see in there. I'm 11.5, and it just looked good. I mean, I've tried them on already, and they're pretty comfortable. And with this being probably the biggest drop for Jordan this year, if you are on the fence about these, I would not wait or hesitate to get them, just because regardless of how split some people may be on this Reimagined, it is going to sell out. I guarantee you it is going to sell out. and you do not want to be that person that's sitting there like, oh man, I could have got those. When you see somebody else got them all, you're like, dang, you know what, those actually look way better in person than I thought. So I'm trying to, kind of main reason behind this video was to, if some of y'all was on the fence about it, to see, you know, my video or whoever else has done a review on these already. I know there's a few people out there, to kind of, you know, help sway y'all the opinion. But like I said, even when I was on the fence about it, I didn't even want to do this. I seen that I got a notification for the shock drop. I joined it and I won it, and I was kind of skeptical about it just because I didn't know what it was going to look like in person. But now I see them in person, I actually really do like them a lot more than I thought I was going to. Definitely don't want to miss out on these and then end up having to pay resale on a Jordan 4. If you guys follow anything about the sneaker market, literally any Jordan 4 that's out right now is, I want to say, close to 300 and above. Check market on these at the time of this video of me filming this, my size is already going for about $290 to, you know, 300 plus, depending on where you go, and then you gotta pay taxes and fees. So really, you're looking at you probably spending just about or right under $350 to get these resale. I've been fortunate enough to be able to hit my drops and know where to go to get these shoes, so I can continue to make content for y'all, but also without breaking my bank. I paid $230 for mine, got them here nice and safe. I also did find out that these are apparently modeled after the Nike SB Jordan 4s. So it does have a thicker ankle and a puffier tongue to kind of match that, you know, the skateboarder-esque type of shoe where you need, you know, ankle support, puffier tongue, just to protect your foot. So that also might even play a role as to why I think these are so comfy. I actually don't own those Nike SB4s, but if this is what they're like, I understand the hype around it. I really do. But I got too much black and red now, so I don't even know what I might do with these. They might sit in a box for a while. I might sell them. Maybe even do a giveaway. I don't know though. People get greedy when people start doing giveaways. So if you did want to copy a pair, I would be trying to look out for that next sneakers drop. Or if you don't like doing that type of thing, you can always go and buy for StockX or GOAT. Also forgot to mention, if you're first time watching or you're already subscribed to the channel, don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment what you think about the shoes. You know, I love feedback. I try to read, or I don't try to read, I do read every comment. I see all the comments. I try and chit chat it up with y'all in the chat. If y'all want to continue to see videos like this, please show y'all support down below. Subscribe. I tell y'all all the time, subscribe because it's free. It's free. It is literally free. So why have you not pressed the button already? You know what I'm saying? No, just with y'all. I love y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one, which will be very, very soon. So peace.